First of all, I'd like to extend our gratitude on behalf of our Speaker, Speaker Boji Faustino Boji D, to the local government unit of Carmona, headed by Mayor Dalia Loyola, for offering the city of Carmona as the venue for the first ever public consultation on the proposed measures. I'm talking about 24 versions, no? One of which is all being authored by our Speaker and the majority leader. So we thank Mayor Dalia Loyola and also, as well as Congressman Roy Loyola for hosting us, for hosting the first public consultation in Cavite. Not necessarily for Cavite alone, but this is actually a public consultation for Luzon, because what we intend to do is to hold at least one public consultation in each of our major islands. Cavite for Luzon, and the next week would be in Cebu for Visayas, and in Mindanao it's going to be in Cagayan de Oro. We had a very lively discussion. We've heard several and various positions coming from the stakeholders, no? Not only individuals, but even group positions, no? People who have spoken in behalf of their organizations and shared to us their position regarding the issue on anti-political dynasty. This would be definitely will be part of. We will incorporate, and those positions and inputs that we have received from them will be part of the possible completion, but the final draft that we will be bringing out for the plenary debate as soon as we're done the committee hearing on the 24 different versions on political dynasty. So they will be hopefully and definitely they will be part of our basis to approach on how we provide the legal definition on what constitutes really is political dynasty in this country. So I'm now ready to accept your